Class 10 Science, Metal and Metallurgy, Chapter 9, Part 1. I am R.S. Prasad, sir. Today I will start your Chapter 9, and that one is the Metals and Metallurgy. So let us start. That one is metals. So today we are knowing about the metals. What will be happen in your metals? So first of all, metal elements which lose their free electrons to form cations are called metals. Compounds are metals which are formed in free state in nature are called minerals. So metals are mixed with other metals or non-metals to form alloys. जब ये किसी और मेटल के साथ मिल जाते हैं सो दे फॉर्म एलॉय एलॉय फॉर्म होते हैं जैसे व्हील बनता है एलॉय वगैरह का उसमें इसको लेटर ऑन पढ़ेंगे विच टाइप ऑफ एलॉयज हेयर so here is metals so it is the starting material your so let us see the metals which metal displays to which metals here is the copper sulfate that means here is copper and here is alpine it has iron. Here is copper sulfate, it has copper metal and here granules zinc, so that one is zinc. It is copper swings, that is the copper and here is zinc sulfate, so it is zinc metal. And here is piece of magnesium, so you can say magnesium metal and here is zinc metal. Iron sulfate, that means it is iron and this one granules zinc, that is the zinc. And it is sodium, so it is Na and it is granules zinc, that is the Zn. So in this reaction comparison of reactivity of metals using displacement reaction हम लोग ये displacement reaction करके ये फाइंड कर रहे हैं कि कौन सा मेटल किसको डिस्प्लेस कर देगा दैट मीन्स विच मेटल इज डिस्प्लेस टू विच मेटल तो इन दिस हाउ कैन दिस वन सी यू कैन सी हियर द कलर इज चेंज दैट मीन्स आयरन डिस्प्लेस टू जिंक नॉट जिंक डिस्प्लेस टू आयरन क्योंकि जिंक यहाँ पर डिजोल्व होना चालू हो गया और आयरन सल्फेट से आयरन को हटाना चालू कर दिया और जिंक सल्फेट फॉर्म हो गया है तो जिसमें भी इस तरह की चेंजिंग हो रही है दैट मीन दे डिस्प्लेस टू अदर मेटल हाउ कैन नो द दिस वन की विच मेटल इज डिस्प्लेस टू विच मेटल so in this sense so this is the a series the arrangement of the elements in the decreasing order of their reactivity is known as activity series and that a chemical activity series है सो इट इज द केमिकल इलेक्ट्रिक दैट मीन्स कि जो नीचे की तरफ आ रहे हैं उनको ये मेटल ऊपर वाले डिस्प्लेस कर देंगे सो हियर इज लिथियम ऑलवेज डिस्प्लेस टू पोटेशियम पोटेशियम ऑलवेज डिस्प्लेस टू सोडियम सोडियम ऑलवेज डिस्प्लेस टू कैल्शियम कैल्शियम ऑलवेज डिस्प्लेस टू मैग्नीशियम मैग्नीशियम ऑलवेज डिस्प्लेस टू एल्यूमिनियम एल्यूमिनियम डिस्प्लेस टू जिंक एंड जिंक डिस्प्लेस टू क्रोमियम क्रोमियम डिस्प्लेस टू आयरन and iron displays to tin and lead displays to hydrogen and hydrogen displays to copper copper displays to mercury mercury displays to silver and silver displays to gold and gold displays to platinum जो भी above आ रहे हैं so they are displacing to the lower part so that is the decreasing order of reactivity so in this reaction you can see here is copper and iron so what will be happen copper and iron so you will be see here copper is here and iron is here so iron displays to copper always remember iron displays that means it is your Fe iron displays to copper this one so in this the second in this there is copper and the zinc so what will be happen in copper zinc so you can see here it is the copper and zinc is where that one is zinc so always remember zinc displays to copper always remember zinc displays to copper so let us see the next one this will be completed so here is zinc and copper so zinc is displaced to copper so that means it is changed the color now here is the zinc and magnesium so you can see zinc and magnesium where is the magnesium magnesium is the above so magnesium displays to zinc so always remember magnesium displays to zinc so in this reaction magnesium displays to zinc so this color is changed now in this iron and zinc so what about in your iron and zinc so you can see yes you can see in this Here is iron and zinc, so you can see about zinc and iron. Here is zinc and iron, so zinc is displaced to iron. So you can say zinc displaced to iron. So in this, zinc displaced to iron. And what about the zinc and magnesium? So let us see the zinc and magnesium. It will be completed, zinc and magnesium. So let us see the zinc and magnesium. Zinc is here and magnesium, it will be completed. Now zinc magnesium is completed, this one is completed. So let us see the iron and zinc. So iron and zinc you can see here, iron zinc. So always zinc replaced to iron. Always remember. Now come to this one be completed. Now sodium and zinc. So what will be happen in sodium and zinc? So you will be see here where is the sodium? This one is the sodium and the next one is the zinc. Zinc is here. So always remember zinc displaced to sodium displaced to zinc. So in this it is the reaction and reactivity series. Let us see what will be happen. What happen when metals are burned in air? जब भी metal को burn करते हैं air में क्या होता है? So sodium, potassium and lithium are react rapidly with oxygen. That means they burn in air. So that is the sodium. It is your sodium. Sodium whenever react with oxygen, it forms sodium oxide. The name of compound is sodium oxide. So you have to write here sodium oxide. And sodium oxide is react with water, it gives sodium hydroxide. And sodium hydroxide, that is the base. It is the base. So therefore they are kept under kerosene to prevent. That means when kept in the open, they quickly react with oxygen present in the air to give oxide. Always remember these metals are very highly reactive. This one sodium, potassium and lithium, they are highly reactive, so they react with oxygen in the air and they form oxides. So therefore they are kept in under kerosene. केरोसिन ऑयल के अंदर इसको डिप करके रखते हैं जिससे रिएक्शन ना कर सके एयर के साथ, टू प्रिवेंट द फॉर्म कमिंग इनटू द कांटेक्ट विद एयर. This oxide of sodium and the potassium dissolve in water to give alkalis. Alkalis means base, so they give base. So let us see the next one. It is the burning of magnesium. Whenever magnesium paper burns, so it forms a oxide, that is the magnesium oxide. And the reaction take place. Magnesium, whenever burning with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide and balance the equation. So it is the balancing equation. So that one is the magnesium oxide. Yes, correct, magnesium. This is the magnesium oxide. It is your watch glass and the combustion of magnesium it is given. And it is the forceps जिससे हम लोग हाथ से पकड़ लेते हैं इसको जिससे कि हाथ बच जाए आपका बर्निंग से. एंड दैट इज मैग्नीशियम रिबन. मैग्नीशियम रिबन को बर्न करते हैं तो बर्न होता है ये. लेट अस सी व्हाट विल बी हैपन नेक्स्ट वन. एट रूम टेम्परेचर जिंक, लेड एंड एल्यूमिनियम मेटल्स आल्सो रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन. ये ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट कर लेते हैं. present in the air. Air में जो present है to give the oxide and are deposit as the thin layer of the surface of these metals. Once the layer is formed, it prevents further oxidation of metal. ये layer जमने के बाद दोबारा oxidation नहीं होने देती हैं. So zinc react with oxygen, it gives zinc oxide. So you have to write zinc oxide. Zinc oxide. And here is aluminium, and it is the oxygen. Whenever it's react with, it forms aluminium oxide. So it is called as aluminium oxide. What is the amphoteric? This word is very important. So you have to learn what is the amphoteric. That is the very important for your board examination. Most metal oxides are basic in nature, but some of them such as zinc oxide and aluminum oxide are amphoteric. They have both nature, acidic and basic both. zinc oxide and aluminum oxide are the amphoteric. That means they react with acid as well as base. So here is the aluminum oxide. Whenever react with HCl, hydrochloric acid, it gives aluminum chloride and the water. So it behaves like a base, but this it behaves like a acid. So that one is sodium hydroxide, that is the base. It is your acid and it is your base. So it forms sodium meta aluminate. The name of this compound is sodium aluminate, or you can say sodium meta aluminate. So it forms the water also. So that is the amphoteric nature. So you can write in your copy. Now come to the next one. That one is the why do metals lose their luster when left in open? अपना luster क्यों lose कर देते हैं? चमक क्यों lose कर देते हैं? ये चमकता रहता है, luster that means चमक. Why they losing when it kept in the air? So some metals on keeping open in air becomes dull or luster. Yes, some metals on being kept open in air becomes dull or lose their shine due to formation of a layer oxide. That means कि ये layer oxide form करते हैं. That means the layer oxide, that means iron oxide or copper oxide and the any oxide, silver oxide. So in their surface, so that's why their luster is loses. So now come to the second. Why are gold and silver? Gold and silver are used making ornament एंड ज्वेलरी. मतलब ये ज्वेलरी बनाने के काम आते हैं. तो क्यों होता है ऐसा इनके साथ? सो लेट अस सी. गोल्ड, सिल्वर एंड प्लेटिनम आर द लीस्ट रिएक्टिव. दैट मीन बहुत कम रिएक्शन करते हैं ऑफ द मेटल एंड दे एग्जिस्ट इन द नेचर इन द प्योर फॉर्म. ये हमेशा प्योर फॉर्म में रहते हैं, एलिमेंट की फॉर्म में रहते हैं एंड आर फ्री स्टेट ड्यू टू विच दे आर यूज टू मेकिंग ज्वेलरी. ये नेचर में बिल्कुल फ्रीली रहते हैं एंड दे डू नॉट रिएक्ट टू एनी वन ऑफ द मेटल और एसिड. सो दैट वन इज अ वेरी गुड एलिमेंट. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. राइट द बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन ऑफ द रिएक्शन ऑफ lead, magnesium and aluminum metal with oxygen. So let us see here. You can write the answer. Lead react with oxygen to form lead oxide. As you have remembered, it is the lead oxide. So you can see here the reaction. It is your lead and it is your oxygen. Whenever it reacts to form lead oxide. So you have to see here. It is the lead oxide. Now magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So it is your magnesium. And it is our oxygen. Whenever it reacts with to form magnesium oxide. This is the MgO. Now aluminium react with oxygen to form aluminium oxide. Always remember it forms aluminium oxide. So that one is aluminium. So you have to see. And this is your oxygen. Whenever react to form aluminium oxide. So you can write in your copy. Let us see what happen when metal react with water. वाटर के साथ कौन कौन से मेटल रिएक्ट करते हैं? वेरी लेस मेटल साथ. सोडियम, इट इज अ वेरी हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल. सोडियम, पोटेशियम एंड लिथियम, दे आर द वेरी हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल. सो दे रिएक्ट विद वाटर टू फॉर्म hydroxides. So this one is sodium metal. Whenever react with water, so it forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. It is the hydrogen gas, sodium hydroxide, and some amount of heat also. So what will be happen in case of potassium? So you have to write potassium. It is the K and react with water H2O to forms KOH and hydrogen gas. Now balance the reaction. It is 2 here and once again 2 here and 2 is also here. And what about to lithium? So you have to write lithium also. So lithium metal whenever react with water, it is 2H2O. So it gives twice LiOH and plus hydrogen gas. So you have to write like this. So it is lithium, water, and it is your lithium hydroxide. It is your potassium hydroxide, and it is your sodium hydroxide. So you have to write this one. And the less reactive metals like magnesium. Magnesium is less reactive, favorably with cold water, but react rapidly with steam. यानी steam के साथ reaction करती है. Hot water to gives magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. They all are giving hydrogen gas. So that is the magnesium. It is your water, and it gives magnesium hydroxide, and it is your hydrogen gas. Here is also hydrogen gas. It is gas. So you can write in your copy. Yes, let us start. Metals such as aluminum, zinc, lead react neither with cold water nor with hot water, but they react at the steam. 5 metal oxides of hydrogen are formed. So let us see here. Aluminum react with water, that is the vapor, that means steam. So it forms aluminum oxide. So that name is aluminium oxide. And this is the iron oxide. So you can write here iron oxide. So it is the iron, and when they react with water, that means steam, and it is red hot environment. So it forms iron oxide and the hydrogen gas. Metals such as gold, silver, and copper do not react to water at normal temperature. That means gold, silver, and copper do not react with water at normal temperature. Let us see next one. What happens when metals react with acids? As you know, whenever zinc react with hydrochloric acid, it gives zinc chloride, ZnCl2, and a hydrogen gas. So name is, you can write here zinc, and it is hydrochloric acid. Yes, it forms zinc chloride and the hydrogen gas in this reaction, and reaction is like this. So how can balance? We can balance with here multiply by 2. It is the zinc. Now come to the, its one is zinc here, but what happen in magnesium? So magnesium whenever react with hydrochloric acid HCl, so it gives zinc chloride. Now it is magnesium chloride MgCl2 and a hydrogen gas. You can write here like this. It is your magnesium hydrochloric acid and it is magnesium chloride. Now one is here magnesium, zinc, and iron. You can write the name of this. So this one is the balance equation. Now what happened to this iron Fe? Whenever it reacts with hydrochloric acid, it gives FeCl3 and a hydrogen gas. So now balance to this one, it is 3. So we have to write here with 2, because here is the 2 3 are 6. So here is 6, and here is you can write the 3, and the iron is 2 also. So that is the balanced chemical equation. It is your iron, or you can say it is iron. It is hydrochloric acid, and this is the iron chloride, and this one is hydrogen gas. So this you can write here hydrogen gas. Now copper react with concentrate nitric acid. As you have remember, it is a concentrate, but it is dilute. This one is the dilute. All the acids are dilute. You can see here it is the dilute acids. So copper react with concentrated nitric acid to give copper nitrate, nitrogen dioxide gas, and water. So it is the here it is copper, and it is nitric acid, it is give copper nitrate. Nitrogen dioxide, and here is water. So you can write this reaction in your copy. Let us see what is aquaresia. It's a very important question. So you have to write in your copy and that in board examination. So this is the answer. So you have to write this one. A mixture of 3 part of concentrate HCl and 1 part of the concentrate HNO3 is called aquaresia. That means 3 part of HCl and 1 part of HNO3. So it gives the aquaresia. In aquaresia, as you know, gold and platinum both are react with aquaresia. They do not react with any other acids. So that is the very most important is the aquaresia. Now come to the question 1. Write the balanced chemical equation for the given reaction. So first one is reaction of calcium with water. So it is the calcium. So you have to write calcium and it is your water. It forms calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So you have to write hydrogen gas. So by the action of water vapor on the iron ferric oxide. So that one is the ferric oxide is formed and hydrogen gas is released. So it is the hydrogen gas. So you have to write here hydrogen gas. And it is the iron and it is water. Water, that means the steam or water vapor. It is called as water vapor and it forms ferric oxide. Let us see the next one. Second, what gas is formed when aluminum metal react with dilute hydrochloric acid? Aluminum metal react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Write the equation. So that is the answer you have to write. Hydrogen gas is formed by the reaction of dilute hydrochloric acid with aluminum metal. The corresponding salt is produced. That is the aluminum chloride. So that is the aluminum. It is hydrochloric acid. And that one the aluminum chloride. Aluminium chloride. And it is the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is formed. ये एक्सरसाइज अभी चलती रहेगी कंटिन्यू. मैं इस पार्ट को यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग फिर मिलेंगे. नेक्स्ट पार्ट मीन्स पार्ट 2 में हम मिलेंगे. और तब तक जो है आप लोग इसके नीचे एक लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों को फ़ायदा हो सके. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.